Hello everyone, Namaste, Vanakkam. This is Dr. Madhuri Balivada. Today I want to ask one simple question to all my homeopathic colleagues, friends, and students. Instead of reading the homeopathic medicine so many times, why we are not able to remember the each and every indication of that particular medicine? From morning to night, we keep on studying the same remedy from different materia medica. Still, we forget to remember all the indications. Two reasons. Number one, until unless you understand the medicine in depth, it is difficult to remember the medicine. And the second point, until unless you prescribe that medicine to some patient on the basis of that particular indication, it is difficult to remember that particular indication. Once your patient gets well with that medicine, you never forget that indication in your lifetime. Underline this point, my friends. And the third thing is, how you are reading the medicines are very important. It is not matters how many hours you are spending to read the books. It matters how much amount of content you captured from that. You if you even, it is not matters whether you are reading a half an hour or the 16 hours in a day. What matters is how much knowledge you gathered in that particular day. Basically, I'm not that much workaholic person. I'm a bit lazy person, but I always study in a particular pattern, in a particular way, so that I can grasp more knowledge in a less time. So how to read the homeopathic medicines to remember in a best possible way? I want to tell you one example, my friends. If you go to theater, if you watch any movie with your friends or with your family members, you remember the whole story. Even after 2 years or maybe 3 years, if someone asks you to explain the story of some particular movie, you explain like this without any struggle. But if your friend asks you to explain the homeopathic medicine, even after 7 days of reading that particular medicine, you will skip some points, you will miss to explain the whole content of that particular drug. Why this is happening? This is only because we are reading. What I want to tell you is, our brain is designed like that, designed in some way that if you listen, if you watch anything or if you listen any story, it will grasp more easily. So, what I did in these days, in this quarantine time, is I formed some stories of materia, I mean, our homeopathic drugs, homeopathy from materia medicas. Initially, I thought to make stories from Ellen's keynotes itself, but later I decided to why only Ellen's? Why not all other books? So, I studied the same remedy from different books like N.M. Chowdhury, Kent, Borick, Boger, Fatak, Clark, Kent. So after reading all these works, I formed some stories, and that stories are very interesting, and you will remember the whole drug picture in a single attempt. So I'm coming forward with all my stories, and I hope you watch all my videos and you will give your proper feedback. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Madhuri Valivada, and follow my Instagram channel as well, where you are going to see more information regarding homeopathy in a best innovative way. So that's all for today. I will come with more interesting stories.